Manila right now.
Ah. Ano sa Research World?
Where?
Research World. Ano sa Research World? Vaccine.
I'm sorry, I don't know where that is though.
Ang ganda-ganda mo talaga.
What?
Very, very cute.
Very cute. Okay,
Sa bahay
thank you.
mo. Yung may house. Warehouse. Where the house?
What? You're asking me? You're asking me where? One more time. One more time. I want you to do it properly. Can you ask me again?
Yes.
Okay. What did you say?
What did you say? No, yun. Ano yun? What did you say daw? What did you say? Your... sabi ko? Sabi ko? Where you the house?
Where's my house?
Yes.
Why? If I tell you my house, are you going here?
Huh? Because you're... I'm go with the house.
You're gonna go to my house.
Yeah.
Why?
You're... Why daw? Why?
Do you want to meet me? Why? Why do you want to meet me?
You may see your body.
What?
Your all body. Your stand.
Why?
May I see?
Why?
May I see? May I see?
Why?
You're okay.
What?
I'm look.
Why do you want to look at my body?
Oh, no. That's my... No, ito na my body daw. Ano daw yun? Bakit daw ko siya pinatatayo? I see. I need your body.
What? I don't understand. I really need to understand. What do you mean?
You're my height.
Oh, you want to know my height?
Yes.
How about you? What's your height?
Ano daw height ka? Ano sasabihin ko? Ano daw height ko? Ano sasabihin ko? Ang height ko. Ano height ko? Ako kaya? Mga 5'11". 5'11". Your house, you?
You're 5'11"?
Yes.
I'm 6'2".
6'2".
Yeah.
6'2". Oh. You're Americano, di ba? You're Americano. Americano? Americano?
Oh, I'm American. Yeah, I'm American. How about you?
Yung... Yeah, American daw siya.
Can you tell me more about yourself? Because I really want to talk to you.
You're my kiss.
What? What? What did you say?
Always, you're American. You're very, very beautiful.
Aw, that's so sweet of you to say. Thank you very much. You're handsome as well.
Yes?
Yes?
Mag-Tagalog ka naman.
Huh?
Marunong ka ba mag-Tagalog? You speak the Tagalog?
What?
Ay. Speak Tagalog. No.
What's that?
Don't stay English. Don't 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 say English.
One more time. Don't what? Don't.
Don't you're say Tagalog. Don't stay English.
You don't want me to speak in English.
No, you're Filipino.
What?
Filipino, no, speaking I not English, understand?
Oh. So, ibig mong sabihin, kuya, hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ay, mag-English.
Mag-Tagalog eh. Pinahirap mo pa ako eh.
Ako na ba ako?
I'm sorry. Pinahirap mo pa ako. Pinahirapan pa ako.
Ano?
Marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog.
Marunong nga.
Eh, bakit di mo sinabi kaagad?
Eh, bakit ka ba kasi nag-i-English?
Ikaw na una mag-English eh.